Come here, girl. Y'all catching them all? We just got 2. Keep it in her face. 1 2 minutes. Keep it in her face. Keep it in her face. Where all have you fished today? Where'd you fish today? Okay. Right. Andrea, hang on for just a minute. Hang on, Andrea. I gotta pull him up fishing. But I'm out here fishing with this dude. And hey, Danny. You watch my YouTube channel, right? Yeah. Now, if you just want to watch me catch fish, you can just sit at home and watch it on YouTube, right? Will you tell this man that?
Hey, you're making fun, aren't you?
I wish I had some help.
I heard you. Hey, he says that he do.
I knew it was coming. I was glad he was on the phone. I was getting a reprieve. I was enjoying the reprieve. I knew it was coming.
There's another one, folks. That's a big Shirley. What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and I am out here on Lake Oconee with Ronald Chestnut.
Hello, YouTube.
Coming in from South Carolina.
South Carolina.
Coming in from South Carolina. He's fishing Lake Oconee, and he's staying at the Drysdale Airbnb, folks. Check out the Drysdale Airbnb.
Best host on the East Coast.
I'm gonna have to check out. I'm gonna have to see when you leave what kind of review I get before if I need to edit this out. So, folks.
Yeah, we just checking in, so he hasn't gotten the review yet.
All right, so folks, here's what we're doing. We're gonna catch some of these Oconee slabs, and as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches the channel, everybody who leaves these comments, and everybody who hits that like button. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale.
Let's go get them.
So let me time you out right here. Let me time you out right here, because you made mention of this a couple of times, right? About annualizing. Stop annualizing because you are monthly. So you need to live in the month.
Good to see you.
All right, man. Take care. You done? Hold on. You done?
No, we just gonna move to another spot.
Okay.
We're trying to get away from you. I can't catch no fish watching you catch them.
Hey, man. You in the boat with the man. He can catch him.
Hey, you know it's right.
Uh-huh.
That's the reason I like you.
Yeah. You feel your bait right now? There you go. What I tell you, you was gonna catch a fish, didn't I?
Yep.
I called your shot.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Just a little bit of tutorial, man. That's all.
That's it. Just some lessons.
I'm glad you coachable. You know, yeah, you got these. You say AAU, right?
AAU.
You got them guys that are.
Yeah, I've coached.
I know. All right. You want to do what you're doing.
That's right.
You got a mix. Come on. You need to get the net ready.
All right. I'm gonna do a better job of being a net man.
Hey, I can't talk about nobody being a bad net man. I'm a horrible net man. I'm a much better guy than I am a net man.
A coach and guide than a net man.
Oh man, yeah. Ooh, here we go, folks. We got about what, 10 fish in there now? I got mine.
I see. I got a skirt.
You better go and set that hook on that one. Got that.
Catfish. Stinking catfish. And guess what? My wife loves catfish too, so you picked on the wrong dude.
Record. Turn around to the camera.
You picked on the wrong dude. Because I can't stand catfish, but my wife loves catfish too. Meow, meow. You're good at it. I can have enough crappie in my freezer. I ain't got the fish during the hard part of the summer, so I'm not guiding. Oh, I got a shimmy there.
Oh, that's a shimmy.
I was almost shimmy free. The end of the day.
You dug in, didn't you? Ow, didn't you?
Almost shimmy free.
Get him out of there, Robert. Get him out of there. I told you we was gonna get a double.
El double.
Let me get mine in the boat first before I start talking.
Yeah, before we start talking smack. El double.
Yeah. Yeah, the man got some fish to clean today, folks.
Yeah, I got my
I've been fishing. Left me solo this time, huh?
Well, you didn't let me, yeah, because I missed mine. I had the bite.
Oh, well, I ain't letting him bully you. Yeah.
I'm glad you got my back.
He hit you, I hit him. I want to see this fish come out of the water. Oh, another. I'm gonna let you shimmy while I bring in this. When I bring in this baby here. This baby here.
I went from 0 shimmy to double shimmy. Way out of the street. Try me again.
Got you that time, punk.
1 2 minutes.
Keep it on that outside. Chin the top of the roof of the mouth. Ooh, I'm about to fall over. Hoo-wee! It is a great day. Golly, close your bell, dum-dum. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it.
No.
I did it. Told you I'd be doing stuff because I get away with it. Had no business doing that.
Both looking at the net man right here. You didn't even have to exert the energy to use the net.
I get away with it, Big Shirley, folks. I will learn at some point. Oh!
Big Shirley here.
Sir.
Shirley alert.
Yeah, man, I talk more shit than the law.
Yeah. I've got video evidence. Plenty of video evidence. What's your boy from CMI special with y'all two? What's his name?
Anthony, coming. Not my hip, and I said, yeah, well, my hip is really wrong. I was looking just to get a shot.
Feel that tick now. Y'all in trouble. I know that tick tack now.
Done gave up the game, huh?
Yep. Trying to wear out my little skittle.
So here's the thing about them skittles, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's based off CMI. That's why I get on my base.
Yeah, the one you be fishing with.
Yeah.
The trash talker.
Yeah, well, I don't know. Everybody I think it's off somebody.
Well, it might be the company.
Yeah. Touche, bro. Touche.
Like Garfield say, I resemble that remark.
I hadn't thought about it that way. I'm gonna have to give that some consideration. I think you got the hang of it, Ronald.
I'm getting a little better feel of it. They gonna be in trouble if I don't lose my rod to the lake.
Protein, depending on protein. Oh, is she pulling drag? Is she pulling drag?
I think she's bigger than she is.
Oh. Hey,
But we on a meat run.
there you go.
So any other day you might have had a chance. Day like today, the fillet knife is on standby.
Got him. Uh-oh.
Come on here, gal.
Yes, sir. What you got on that orange?
Yep.
Orange.
Orange Skittle.
Is that a Shirley?
Yeah, borderline. She ain't quite there yet. But unfortunately, she is not going to be still growing.
We're gonna be Shirley. Get him on out of there, brother. Get him on out of there. She ain't big, but she won. I bet you if you put some,
Hot sauce.
yeah, hot sauce, and ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, tartar.
My wife loves fish tacos.
Get to the train. All that. Full ride.
Yes, man. Oh, I hooked on yours. Trying to catch some fish. He already caught.
This our fish. you hooked it on the bottom. hook the little fin?
Yeah, he already caught. I need to catch one that ain't already caught. Fin meeting got me bleeding. I ought to pull your fins off and kill you first.
She ain't the biggest, but she won.
She won.
Now, I'll tell you one thing though, Ronald. I ain't gonna keep calling your shots.
That's what coaches do. Call the play. If I go out there acting on my own, then you want to take me out the game.
Oh, that was you hitting me. That was a crappie. That was a crappie hitting me.
Oh, Big Shirley.
I'm trying to give her a concussion. I'm trying to give her a concussion. Big Shirley, how did you get the nickname Big? Hey baby, hey baby.
That's no kitty there. I think he's a bass. Think your daddy was a bass flipping out like that trying to spit that jig?
All right, we got 84 fillets coming. All right, YouTube, that is going to wrap it up for another one of these episodes of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Y'all can see on this video, Ronald put a hurting on him. All I had to do was start talking smack and he started catching fish.
You know what it takes.
So we got some of these big Shirleys. Man, Ronald, I thank you for coming out with me today, man. We are back here at the Drysdale Airbnb.
Awesome, awesome. Highly recommend it. I might give him 5 stars. The fishing was 5-star. The resort was 5-star on the check-in. I'll see what the stove cooked like with these big Shirleys, and then we'll give the final rate.
Well, there we go. Then I know it's gonna be a 5-star because you got some work to do. Now, don't blame me because you got to work. So, you know.
I can't put that on the review. You put me to work.
So, folks, as always, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches the channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, you already know what it is. My long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. You're one of my long-term subscribers.
That's right.
And to my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with.
Ron C.
Catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty
crappie.
So until the next time, folks, remember the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Peace.